Welcome to the Dr.Vet channel. Come to the Livestock world. Today, Dr.Vet come to the Livestock world so for mistake in growth farming when starting, which need you to fail. Firstly, ensuring growth breeding. With the direction of breeding growth, best buying them from one farm. The result is that kids are reformed, weak, or stillborn due to inbreeding, leading to economic losses. If you choose breeding from disreputable organizations, not having a clear record of quality, or putting into farming has poor health, many diseases, and makes the high risk to economy. So you should pay attention to choosing a reputable place with a clear background, with the good quality of grandparent and parent breeding, and grow without disease sources which are healthy and grow fast. About the barn is low, the floor is too close to the ground, it lacks ventilation, so crows are affected by rare waste on the floor. The floor is made from many different sources of uneven material, bamboo and wool, so that the manure doesn't pass through the floor, so the pan is dirty and difficult to clean, and the floor is quickly damaged and repaired. What are the solutions to this mistake? You should make a floor for the single with wooden plank with a size 2.5 multiplied by 3 cm in the style of inlay bed. The openings are only 1 to 1.5 cm to ensure the passage of manure and urine, but not a grow fit. The floor must be at least 50 to 80 cm from the ground to ensure clean. If bamboo is used to make a floor, the bamboo slab must be flat, and the bamboo litter must be turned down to avoid stagnation of feces and not to hurt growth. The gap between the bamboo wall should only be from 1 to 1.5 cm. Besides, cleaning and collecting feces regularly before and after importing or exporting growth, it is necessary to disinfect the pan, trough, and surrounding area with a strong disinfectant solution, such as Resist 400, to destroy pathogens in the environment. Let's pay attention to periodically disinfecting pan and feeding troughs with the super disinfectant solution to control and prevent disease. Thirdly, about food, using brand of other animals, such as big brand, chicken brand, to fattening goats, lead to bloating and urinary retention, which is dangerous for growth. Without timely intervention, they can die. It should be noted that the addition of refined food for goats should be balanced, especially under 35% of the goat diet. Farmers should take advantage of many available natural food sources, the suitable amount silage to help reduce feed costs, ensure safety, and increase economic efficiency. The last one that farmers often make is that prevention disease for goats is not really interested. Do not proactively prevent disease for goats. Only focus on treating when they have disease that needs to risk and economic losses. In order to avoid unnecessary risks and damage, farmers need to properly and fully implement the vaccination schedule against infectious disease, such as cowpox, enterotoxemia, and foot and mouth disease, are removed pesticide for goats after 3 months of age, and periodically repeated injection after 6 months. You can refer to intermittent. When When cows encounter unlucky factor from the weather, you should use antibiotic to prevent disease. Penicillin 200 WS with the main amoxicillin 20% is a safe antibiotic, or you can defer to Vipipagma with fluorophenical, a powder to mix easily with feed. In order to actively prevent respiratory and digestive disease for cows, you supplement digestive enzyme, liver, and kidney detoxification to increase resistance to growth and develop well. Don't let this mistake affect raw cows and raw valleys. Goodbye and see you again.